Hello, I'm Jason Prather. Welcome to BitArmored's YouTube channel. This Christmas I got a SeaLife Sport Diver phone holder. It turns your phone into an underwater camera. I haven't had a SeaLife housing in many years, and I've never had one for a phone housing. So we're going to open it up, take a look at it. We're planning on going on a cruise in a few more months, so this is going to be really handy at the cruise. Hopefully I can even use it doing some dives at work and doing some fun dives. Maybe even bring that to the channel. Alright, let's take a look at it and get it opened up. Alright, so let's take a look at the SeaLife Sport Diver underwater camera housing. Vacuum pump. Silica gel, O-ring tool, O-ring grease, some batteries. Spare O-ring. Instructions. Rubber grip tabs. And here is the housing. Alright, so there's the button. So we got a little battery tray here. Little spring up there to hold everything in. Okay, that's where the silica pack goes. Probably gonna need to order a few more of those silica packs. Let's get some batteries in here. Alright, so I'm just putting this together to see what it's like. I'm not going to open up my silica pack that's supposed to go in here. Let's just get a rough idea. Yep, I think we're going to have to change out those tabs. Let's see what we got. Alright, finding my phone on the app here. 13 Pro Max. And 0S. So 0S is no grip tabs on the left side, small grip tabs on the bottom. Easy enough. So we're gonna just remove all of these from the side. And we're gonna take the ones out of the bottom. The bottom's gonna get small. Probably important to notate that the orientation is the angle is down on all of these. So I started using SeaLife camera housings back with disposable cameras, and this being pretty much the only brand that had a waterproof housing for disposable cameras. Then we eventually moved up to a digital camera with a housing. And of course technology and life changes, and I just haven't done anything with them since. Much better fit. Oh, you know what? Probably have to turn this little switch here on. There you go, there's a bright blue light. And again, we're just doing the test. Always put a little lube on O-rings. Doesn't take much O-ring grease to do a big O-ring like this. Just a little bit. Vacuum port here. Too much pumping. Alright, so when you let pressure off, it tells you there's a leak. So we turn it off, turn it back on. Set the phone back in the housing. Close it up. Got the vacuum port here, and apparently you don't have to pump it very much at all. Let's see if I can get it on camera like this. Alright, so sit here and stop pumping. We wait like 3 minutes and 30 seconds-ish. Put the cap back on. Actually, you know what? We're going to be in and out of this a little bit, so let's put a little lube on that O-ring just for good measure. I'll wait on that. We'll scoop this up. Alright, we got the waterproof is all good buttons. Actually, let's take the red filter off since we probably don't need that right now. It's a nice aluminum cover there. Alright. I have no idea if you can even see that. Let's see, mode. Looks like we got a little green dot over here next to a camera. Lens normal. Focus auto, white balance auto, tint auto. Looks like it just takes you into settings mode. I want to be in here. Oh, there we go. The underline is where we're at. So now we're in video mode. There's settings, back up to camera. Okay, so you just cycle camera, video, settings. Up and down looks like a zoom. Shutter button does the shutter. So over to video, see what that does. Alright, there we go. I think we got video rolling. It's not really counting anything. Turn it off. Nope, it was rolling. There we go. One count. Now there's a 12, 13. Okay, now it's counting. So it only counts a few moments at a time. Maybe it's. Let's see, we got zoom. Yep, we got zoom and video. Oh, I think that okay was still while you're taking video. That's a nice feature. Alright, no more video. It's pretty nice. Alright, well, let's see about how we get the phone back out. Just to keep the lens nice and pretty. Just throw the red filter back on. Take the valve cover off. Just stick my finger in there, release the pressure. Now we're getting a red light saying we have an error. Alright, and took all the vacuum off doing that. You take our phone back out. Turn it off inside of the side. Turn the switch off. Just because it's probably going to be a little bit before I can be in water where it's worth taking pictures. I'm going to take the batteries back out. Alright, so it's set up for my phone now. Got a little grease on the O-rings. So the valve cover's on, lens cover's on. Sealed up, so it shouldn't take any extra moisture right now. Put it back in the case on that side for now. Slide these instructions back in here because they may be handy one day. I'm going to hold my shims out, put them in a safe place, but I'm going to keep the O-ring kit in here. Definitely going to keep the little silica pack. Actually, you know what? We got a little bag over here. We'll put the silica pack, the batteries, and the vacuum pump back in the baggie, along with the grease. I'm not sure about this O-ring removal tool. Usually I just use a dental pick. All that back in the baggie. Strap right up here near the top. I do like bringing both the zippers up to one corner, because then I know exactly where it is. It's either on one or two corners usually.